mama akwa sonko mbra bedwuma Ahosepe dwumezido na wosomfo the fantidol and my crado the mezan summer recordo entertainment industry no mo mezerabro and pay na za otinye there you overlook bibi you fa him attention nko bibi do na and pay mo hade there much wadwen esido inyim da tell say Ghana Music Awards no ya end no now so no BBC wo ho oya abrante na wo fa no Kofi Kinaata no Tadi Bogano for the 5th time or just songwriter of the year. Ah, me you say what about history and answer the hokesepa that the obi etum ajid them category no songwriter of the year for the 5th time. In pen edum. Into no me you say Shatta say oban songwriting paza abrante no or your boro marigejia. Ojana nando nyansa o wasasi du nyina woni tirim nyameze man oya woza abofa nyi ho kwan Kofi Kinaata no size inte no ada pays ampana me yen dem watch wadwun akwachi na ya hwe Kofi Kinaata fiti 2018 a started original award na nyum was je no mrebo kakra ma wore tete no masam no and ya but dissect Kofi Kinaata ya bohwe ne thinking because abrante ba no is serious or massive at asa nti no ma yenkwa he na chi 2016 wo fan chem kala 2016 Susuka no oye the first song on man best songwriter of the year ma yente na hemra nti no you know for all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. The Kofi Kinaata ohun verse ne pe no sa de no obotum na we use na otayenyo into no anyumi or a masterpiece Kofi Kinaata Martin na wabo de menuma otdemi na yantu yede say yatu yede be call 2021 the menumi or a personal favorite because na ebusuafo hu o TV do a wo hu da ye wonyim zo olokodo tino bia fofo na wa frau ma me send ma yar brawan kran ha Kofi Kinaata for my 2021 behind the scenes sell hustler na set nyum ye unda Kofi wa kansam ni nyina za mo because wonderful atasa wuna no fi kuma so wo crowd war bankan na bebre da bridge ase nsu tae den Sunday nsu tae no na wona nyama bobo ho no bo but if a phone na na frau one asa ya betal me na ati bibia be because nyama ko behind the scenes no odoso but ya na settings into so ya dress nature photo na me hu de ya chill na ada but onkoye bibia be fo ya ati ya twen nyame nti no Kofi anta amanaba no na oze da minwumi nyina oze brain na new one no wo Kofi Kofi ipinodo na the menwumi ehu oy eye opening shawunyanku nanyim te na hwene ye because sa anya careful a zanyanko ze ba yewon nyanko ni huni nue no say anhwene ye a bebe ozu be kekesin the menwumi no watu ni zin saman ono no man the best songwriter of the year at Ghana Music Awards this year mayente no so na yembra yeah ite no bidi besi ha ihye Kofi na echia na amom ma afen papa ntene kana da na mamontia do anta amana ban minima zozeman but abofra na adwunu me ebue Kofi prekwate na sie beta na age ekra ka ho ma wa 6 edru bia ankadem ala wallahi motia do oye no kosida nu so ato na owe bi se den entertainment to ngansu famo ban but sana asamono wakan yo no kwaro okenwa na waka hwen nsu ya oye koside otey wa ha entertainers papa momo ebien pe se ekọ socials do luhudu papa na ehwe Dina Hamilton gospel nyumtunyi a waka na ebusuafo wa abrochiri mem dore bagana abade ni fie obepa babies ni tilato because Ghana so e ni fie wait dan wa na rabey o kira bibia ko bepepe we airport o nto no onyim do benya good day oba Ghana insu na wa hwe ni sin wa be raba na nko fie awo mayen ko hedan na Hamilton moye ya o tu ifie America be do be de fie no so ka de hotel maintain.
We landed all right, no problems. I thought this was going to be a good day. I was going to get home in time, and then this happened. We've been driving in circles for over an hour. When we landed in Accra, it was raining, and the rains has flooded Accra and the whole of East Legon Hills. There's no route to where I want to go. We're in trouble, and they better hotel pay, and I idiot. Like joke, we ended up in a hotel. I just could not believe that the rains had stopped us from going home. So I've arrived in Ghana, but I haven't arrived home. I'm spending the night in a hotel. Wow. Anyway, I'm glad to have a place to lay my head tonight.
No was a marrying in Sue. We showed Diana Hamilton Papa watching the Nara or Nara Azaza. Flat and our affect and come for say our affect to us and woman number my bless am what it say Munka send my blessed woman number or Bompay amo, be fine. Now, I could see you. You can say a Twitter na X sisi happen isn't in X Hollywood papa Kwadwo Sheldon if ye nsu afano the botu social media like come koka it's a one dance king Shatta Wale in the whole of Ghana. Watch him the brother if you need help if see him wa Mobo, but I want for tweets not to the man. Yes, can you hear? Kwadwo Sheldon if you hold now flood now? Kwadwo Sheldon if you nyai. But what?
My house is flooded. So guys, our house is flooded. Our house is No one else is doing the Let's go.
In so tone can Kwadwo ha East Legon Hills are flood. Pasa. Oh, papa. They na Shatta lichim there. This is serious. Sorry, brother. Let me know if you need some help. So sorry, Charlie. Na say medubo kwechi kakra. Shatta na Kwadwo Sheldon wonka. Chade Kwadwo Sheldon na kaso third day Shatta no top. Into no eda ocean no airport no nka opeden kwa Kwadwo Sheldon pada onyini sesie no. Brother am a chance. The video no so basan bo to social media or extend hand. Shatta nchia na back na chade ya wa pay. Enwu ya of the days na no ye nta chade sisi arodashe ni trimpa da Shatta Waleze onyini besido papa. Into no Shatta botro we no hu na you are certain Shatta oboa. Enyambo papa bia na Shatta pero ademo no or Shatta all the debates. So when you not so catch bait na pass amaten. So don't look sharp. No back into no me Sheldon doesn't because Shatta car some group about Sheldon some more came. Kwadwo Sheldon yo. I say you were all laughing when I approached him. Okay. In the UK, Kwadwo Kosot in your mouth, but once I want fat. Into no oil no pado bia oil na you know lynchian. In that what's the way you sama opadoma no mo them bed or boa. Also helping you by force. Kwadwo Sheldon chima Shatta for umboa. Sheldon show Shatta mouse me fie. And I'm moboa. Moboa. Into no one Samarian. And some work Canada door so back and forth no socials no done. Kwadwo chima onyazo obeje Shatta no mbo Shatta so chima Kwadwo ntebo because I say if he boy you on by force. As na o chema brother no tu no nyina du ko obu ni nya na chi no o kesi da no be mansu fan hey o ye serious o ntawo mami fa say hade at no man kaka mama no ampa social fo meka bibia o ya fan ya wo fan chamati me this hade ai is no e da fancy door one man was so mo fantino my brother papa and Thomas association member Frank Ofia na one more was so massing in our OPD Richmond head of productions at Wabe Kofi Pedu Mark Weber Jananando Timono ya strong Thomas is a mubonizana guess no who na antino nkami yambo but me the best I mean Adoma yabasana yeshia CCRZ mama crown